Hello everyone. So my name is Rajkumar and we continue the SQL series, and in this video we learn about the installation of MySQL. So installation of MySQL contains two basic terminologies. First one is the MySQL server and the second one is the MySQL workbench. We have to install these two for running our SQL queries. So basically MySQL server is a server where our data is stored. So basically our database is stored in a MySQL server. So it is a database server, whereas MySQL Workbench provides a user interface to the users for interacting with the MySQL server. A MySQL Workbench basically a visual tool which is used for database design, development, administration, and management. So now in further we see about the installation of MySQL practically. So for installing the MySQL, search the keyword MySQL. After that, we go to the MySQL installer 8.0.42. Here we can see that there is two types of installers are available. First one is the size of the 2.1 M and the second one is the 353.7 M. We go to the second because it contains more packages than other. So by clicking on the download, it is written that no thanks, just start my download. So you can click here. Now my MySQL is recorded. MySQL is downloaded, sorry. Here you can see that MySQL installer community size of 354 MB. So we are waiting for completion of this. So now my SQL installer is now downloaded completely. Now we click on this. So it is showing a pop-up window. Please wait while Windows configures MySQL installer. So we wait for some time. Click on the yes icon. Click on the yes. It is launching our MySQL installer launcher. Click on the yes. Now it is. So we click on our. Please select the setup type that suits you your use case. Click on the custom and click on the next. After that, you have to click on the MySQL servers. After clicking on the MySQL servers, you get the MySQL server. Then you click the MySQL server 8.0. Then click on this arrow. After clicking on this, click on the arrow. Okay. Then after clicking on the application, click on the workbench, MySQL workbench. Then MySQL workbench 8.0, and then it will click. Okay. And same process is repeated in this also. So basically MySQL servers, MySQL server 8.0.42, then click on the green, then MySQL workbench 8.0.42, click on the green arrow, and MySQL shell 8.0.42, click on the green arrow. Now we click on the next. After that, the products will be installed. Now we execute these operations. The pencil sign is showing that it is installing completed. Then it will show the green tick. So now all the three are completed. Now we click on the next. Again, we click on the next. Now we see that our port number is 3306. Development computer, everything is okay. So we move on the next. We are here. We have to save our password here. So by clicking on the next, we go to the setting our password. So we have to set our root password. So please enter your password. Now our password is okay. Our password is showing here is medium. So we click on the next. After that, it is showing that configure MySQL server as a Windows service and MySQL 80. Okay, it's correct. Next, grant the permission next. After that, it's showing apply configurations. So we apply on writing configuration file. Okay, we click on the execute to apply the changes. Now click on the execute, then it will show applying green tick. After that, so now our all the configurations are applied and our task is finished. So we click on the finish. After that, we From here, configuration complete. Click on the next part. Copy log to clipboard. The installation procedure has been completed. So installation be finished. Our installation is completed. So here we can see that our installation is completed, and this is our MySQL workbench. Local instance MySQL 91. Now we go to the folder where our MySQL workbench is installed. So we go to the our C file, program files, MySQL. After that, we go to the MySQL server, bin, and then we copy the path by clicking on this Control C. After that, we go to the environment variables. We click environment variables. Environment variables open. After that, we open the environment variables. Then go to the environment variables icons. Then go to the path. Where is the path? So yeah, go to the path. Then edit. Then click on the new. And here we paste our location, bin location. Click on the OK. 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 And this is also OK. Now we open the command prompt. So now we open the command prompt. So it's open now. Now by opening the command prompt, here we can see that you can see that now we can check here our installed MySQL version by writing the MySQL // version command and click on the enter. Then you can see here that I have installed the MySQL version 8.0.42. So our MySQL version is created. Now we can also run our SQL queries on the command prompt as well as the workbench we see earlier. Now I set up the environment, okay, with MySQL. Basically, this command, u source the username, user, and p source the password. Click enter password. So you have set the password earlier in the process of installing the MySQL workbench. Please enter that password here. I have entered the password. Now click on the enter. So it shows that welcome to the MySQL monitor. So commands end with so our MySQL is created and we enter in the MySQL monitor. Here it is shows that MySQL. Now we are in the MySQL. Now here we can install our MySQL database, create tables, or perform any SQL queries. Now we are we can create any database. For example, I am showing here an example of creating a database. Please wait. For example, we can use the commands show databases, curly braces, semicolon. So it has earlier database stored as information schema, MySQL performance schema, and SYS schema, sys database. We can manually create our database also by the command, by using the SQL command create. So we write database, create database. We can put the name any. Let's see Raju semicolon and enter. Now it shows that query okay, one row affected. It means my database is created. Now if I have to see where is our database created or not, we can see it by using the command show databases. So databases. Please click on by clicking on the enter. I can see here that database. Earlier in our database only 4 databases are present, but now here 5 database is created and here is the Raju database is also created. So MySQL is working fine here on the command prompt. Now again next we see on the workbench it is working or not. How it is working? So we minimizing the command prompt, minimize it. So by clicking on the local instance MySQL 91, so I have to put here my password. So my password, please remember your password. So this is my database which has created on the command prompt Raju. If we want to create another database, create database org, click on that. Then you can see here that it shows create database org with green tick. It means our org database is created. Now by clicking on the show database, it can show our all the databases present in the database. So by clicking on it, it shows the show databases. So here we can see that our database contains information schema, MySQL org performance schema, and Raju database. So here Raju database is created from this command prompt, and org database is created by now by me here by this command. Okay. So for using your database, we use the command use org. So by using the use org, we so basically if you want to run a command on the workbench, you have to select the command and then click on the execute the statement under the keyboard cursor. After that, you can see here that in the action output, that green tick, green tick shows that your command is executed successfully. Use org. It means now you are using org database. Now I am in the next video. We will see the how the database is created, how the table is created, how the input is given to the table in great detail. So please subscribe my channel for the further updates and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you, everyone.